Have you ever had to make a business phone call in English?
Do you know how to introduce yourself, ask for someone, and talk about business politely?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural business phone call in English.
You'll learn useful expressions for answering the phone, leaving messages, discussing meetings, and confirming information.
Let's get started.
Good morning, Bright Star Company. How may I help you?
Good morning. My name is Emily. I'm calling from Green Office Supplies.
Good morning, Emily. How can I help you?
I'd like to speak with Paul, please.
Certainly. May I ask what the call is regarding?
I'm calling about our recent order.
Of course. Please hold for a moment.
Sure, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, this is Paul speaking.
Hello, Paul. This is Emily from Green Office Supplies.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well too.
I'm calling to follow up on our recent order.
Sure. What would you like to know?
I'd like to check the delivery date.
Let me check that for you.
Thank you.
I can see your order here.
Great.
It was shipped yesterday.
That's good news.
It should arrive by Friday.
Friday sounds good.
Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yes. Could you confirm the number of items in the order?
Certainly. You ordered 50 boxes of printer paper and 25 ink cartridges.
That's correct.
Is everything okay with the order?
Yes, everything looks good.
Excellent.
I have one more question.
Sure. Go ahead.
Could you send me a copy of the invoice by email?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Could you send it to emily@email.com?
Let me confirm that.
Sure.
Emily@email.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
I'll send it to you this afternoon.
I appreciate your help.
You're very welcome.
I'd also like to arrange a meeting with you.
Of course. What would you like to discuss?
I'd like to talk about our next order and some new products.
That sounds good.
Are you available next Tuesday?
Let me check my schedule.
Sure.
I'm available in the morning.
How about 10 a.m.?
Yes, 10 a.m. works for me.
Great. I'll send you a meeting invitation.
Thank you.
Just to confirm, our meeting is next Tuesday at 10 a.m.
That's right.
And we'll meet online?
Yes, I'll send you the meeting link.
Perfect.
Is there anything you'd like me to prepare?
Please bring information about your new products.
No problem. I'll prepare everything.
Great. I'll do the same.
I'm looking forward to our meeting.
Me too. Hello, this is Emily from Green Office Supplies.
Hello, how may I help you?
I'd like to speak with Paul, please.
I'm sorry, but he's not available right now.
I understand. Could I leave a message?
Of course.
Please tell him that Emily called about the new business proposal.
Certainly.
Could you ask him to call me back when he's available?
Sure.
May I have your phone number? Yes, it's 555-0186.
Let me repeat that. 555-0186.
That's correct.
I'll give him your message.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time today.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
I'll look out for the invoice and meeting invitation.
I'll send them this afternoon.
Perfect.
Have a great day, Emily.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Let's review some useful expressions from today's conversation.
I'm calling about.
This is useful when you want to explain the reason for your call.
Could you send me?
This is a polite way to ask someone to send you something.
Could I leave a message?
Use this when the person you want to speak with isn't available.
Could you call me back?
Use this when you want someone to return your phone call.
Just to confirm.
Use this when you want to make sure information is correct.
These expressions are useful in many business situations.
Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for business phone calls.
Practice these expressions aloud to improve your speaking confidence.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Question of the day. Have you ever made a business phone call in English?
Tell us your experience in the comments below.
Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.